WTI crude has collapsed -6.09% to $75.83, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Wednesday, June 17th, and this is your complete global market briefing. It is a split session across global markets. Traders are reacting to news that banks/oil price forecasts after US-Iran breakthrough. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading lower by -0.57%, at $7,511.35. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Dow marks record high, S&P 500, NASDAQ slip ahead of Fed decision, StockStory. NASDAQ 100 is down -1.89%, trading at $29,968. Investor sentiment is being shaped by GOT $1,500. 3 no-brainer artificial intelligence, ARI, semiconductor stocks to buy before they soar once again, the motley fool. Dow Jones edged higher +0.64% to $52,000. Equity markets are responding to reports that what does 2026 hold for your investments in gold, silver ETFs, NDTV profit. DAX is up +1.12%, trading at $24,910. Traders are reacting to news that banks/oil price forecasts after US-Iran breakthrough. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. FTSE 100 edged higher +0.61% to $10,494. Equity markets are responding to reports that Dow marks record high, S&P 500, NASDAQ slip ahead of Fed decision, StockStory. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. ASML plunged -4.69% to $1,803.89 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by SK Hynix places record $8 billion order for ASML UV lithography machines should pay for up to 30 UV machines over 2 years, serving HBM and advanced DRAM production, Tom's Hardware. Rocket Lab made a dramatic move today, plunged -4.23% to $104.63. Equity markets are responding to reports that RKLB stock jumps overnight. Rocket Lab lines up record launch blitz after NASDAQ 100 entry. Yahoo Finance. JP Morgan surged +3.72% to $331.28 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by can JP Morgan Chase stock reach $400 in 2026? TKR.com. TSMC made a dramatic move today, plunged -3.48% to $426.05. Investor sentiment is being shaped by TSMC's $165 billion Arizona Gigafab, Reshaping Us Chips, 2026, tech-insider.org. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that banks/oil price forecasts after US-Iran breakthrough. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Equity markets are responding to reports that Dow marks record high, S&P 500, NASDAQ slip ahead of Fed decision, StockStory. Equity markets are responding to reports that what does 2026 hold for your investments in gold, silver ETFs, NDTV profit. Turning to commodities. Brent crude plunged to $79.46 per barrel, down 4.46% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that OPEC sees oil demand growth outpacing supply through 2027. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. WTI crude plunged to $75.83 per barrel, down 6.09% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that OPEC sees oil demand growth outpacing supply through 2027. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. Natural gas surged to $3.26, up 3.53% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that banks/oil price forecasts after US-Iran breakthrough. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. Gold edged higher to $4,353 per troy ounce, up 0.58% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by Goldman Sachs cuts 2027 oil price estimate on demand uncertainty. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. Let us give you our near-term view on WTI crude. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for WTI crude is around $71.28. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view. Always do your own research. In the currency markets, euro to US dollar is at 1.16, gaining 0.07% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, losing 0.15% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.23, gaining 0% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to monetary policy decisions. European Central Bank. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If you found this analysis useful, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for our daily market briefings. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.